Muy buenas noches, tutora y compañeros. Mi nombre es Jan Hernández Aguilar. Hago parte del programa Ingeniería Agroforestal de la sede de La Dorada. Dando inicio a la actividad, presentamos la siguiente diapositiva. Travel Itinerary. Introduction and Replies. Salento Quindío. The horse to Il Quindío is the most tourist street in the Coffee region, located in the central mountain range. It is core to with a population of the 8,000 inhabitants. In the route gate to the Valle del Cocora, an emblematic territory where the national tree of Colombia, the Watts brand. Of the trees. The descent an extension of 3 blades and 2 lines in the top of Salento, which includes our laundry, food and tourist transport to the different surrounding towns. Means transporting. There are different ways to get to the distinct Salento Quindío. Big car on motorcycle on the approximate distance to the Valle del Cocora. Kilometers with cars. Activities to do. Some on the place you can visit in Salento Quindío into world through the tour and see its beautiful streets. And place the structure of the colonies would halt to the viewpoint. Visit the Valle del Cocora is on one of the most incredible landscapes in the world, and it is home the collapsed grids in the province to appropriate the Watts farms of Quindío. Place to stay in Salento you would find with a run of accommodation from luxurious hotels, camping areas to dumplings systems. Typical foods. The most typical foods of Quindío are round to prepared to taste, halwa accompanied with rice, patacon, grilled, pancakes on salt. Paisa trying in the consists of rice, fried hands, grilled meat, chorizo, plantain, and brains. Codes. The codes for 3 days to 29 person and how many 1,200,000 in the pool, around 3 transportation, food, lunching, tours, get on swerving of Quindío. Thank you for you.